This is the Eastwood Car Cart parts storage rack. Well, it's called the car cart, but it's really great for storing anything in your shop, garage, or shed. We're working on the Internet Cafe Racer build right now. Check that out if you haven't already. And look at all the motorcycle parts we were able to condense onto the car cart. Not only do all those parts take up less space, but all the parts are now totally mobile as the car cart is on 6 caster wheels. That makes it great if you have a ton of detailing supplies, painting supplies, a trash can, tape, nuts and bolts organizer, tons of rattle cans, whatever. Fill this thing up with literally all your gear and roll it right next to your work area. So what are we working with here? The main frame of the car cart is made out of 1.5 by 1.5 inch square steel frame, and it's finished in a nice black layer of powder coat. Keeps the car cart looking good and keeps it protected from any corrosion as well. The front side here features 4 wire baskets. There's plenty of storage space in each one. The overall dimensions are going to measure 57 inches long by 38 inches wide by 80 inches tall. The rear side of the car cart features 2 rubber protected rods. The idea back there is that you can easily store a large hood, large sheets of metal, or there's even a second spot for those mounting rods a little bit further out, giving you some more space. And the idea there is that little bit of extra space will allow you to store 2 doors at once. So the car cart comes with these 4 baskets you see in the front, but around the back there, if you don't plan on storing a doors or a hood, you can buy a set of 4 more additional add-on baskets and really put that space back there to use. Weight rating back there will be 200 pounds, and the overall weight rating for the entire car cart is 800 pounds total. Pretty impressive. And again, the nice part is that 800 pounds of stuff can be 100% mobile through your shop, your garage, your shed, whatever. The casters are nice and big. They easily roll over cracks in the garage floor, and 2 of them lock in place. So this bad boy isn't going to shift around on you if you're taking stuff in and out or if you're on a slight incline. The Eastwood Car Cart is going to be a great option for long-term mobile storage of a lot of heavy items. Great item to really save some space, and Eastwood backs the car cart with a 1-year warranty. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you check out our channel as well. We have tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. As always, we'll have the car cart link below. I'm JD. Thanks for watching. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.